Hey guys, PMHK here obviously. Now if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. I make tech videos every week. So if not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do just that. Also, click the notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. In this video, we're going to be talking about my top 2 cryptocurrency apps that I use here in South Africa that you guys also can actually go ahead and use. Now, a few disclaimer before I show you these apps. One, the information I'll be giving you in this video does not constitute financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. As you guys know, I'm a tech YouTuber. Just a guy on YouTube giving you a couple of information of the things I stumble across. Two, because this is a cryptocurrency video, there will most probably be a lot of people trying to scam you down in the comments. So do not follow anything from anyone down in the comments, except obviously if it's something that I typed down there. 3, which is actually one of the main rules of cryptocurrency, is do your own research. You always gotta go and do your own research. As much as you'll find YouTubers giving you advices on what to do, you always gotta do your own research. And number 4, just to put it out there, I am not a cryptocurrency trader. I'm not a cryptocurrency guru or whatnot. I mainly invest long-term in the coins that I hold, mostly 6 to maybe 2 years that I'm planning to hold the coins that I have right now. So I just wanted to put this out there. Now, let's jump to the first app that I wanted to talk about in this video. So the first app we're going to be looking at is Luno. Now, Luno as a company has its headquarters in UK, but it also has hubs in Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, and of course, South Africa, to be specific, Cape Town. Now, if we jump quickly in the app, now I rank these apps in 3 ways. Number 1 is the UI, how the apps itself look. Number 2 is how easy it is to transact in this app. And number 3 is how many coins are available for trading in these apps. Now, one thing I like about Luno is the interface itself. Now, these are centralized exchange app where everybody goes and does their trading. You also get decentralized, which is a more sort of private wallet that you use. Now, one thing about Luno, it actually mimics a little bit what those decentralized exchanges look like, or the crypto wallets look like. And this one actually reminds me a lot of Trust Wallet, which is also a wallet I use on the side, but that's a story for another day. Now, as you can see, you have the first page, which is your home. You get your coins listed there. You have on this app, you have BTC, you have ETH, you have your XPR, Link, Uni, LTC, BCH, and USDC. Now, these are all the coins that you're going to get in Luno that you're going to be able to trade. Now, remember, my number 3 way that I actually qualify or classify these application is by the number of coins the app itself has, and this guy here actually doesn't really have many coins as compared to our second app that we're going to be speaking in a few. So this is the main page. As you guys can see, you have your Explorer page where you get information. If there is news, this is where you come and get, and also when the company itself wants to publish something that's happening in the company, let's say they are adding a new coin, this is where you come and get that information. Then you have your wallet, where this is where you will keep your coins, and you're going to obviously see the value of the coins you have. As you guys can see there, I have 0.57 cent available, and previously, obviously, as you guys can see, I used to have a BTC wallet. I used to have an ETH wallet, an XPR wallet, an LTC wallet, as well as USDC wallet, as you guys can see. And obviously, when you actually transfer money or you send money to the app itself, this is where it will come on your local currency. As you guys can see, it's 0.0 right now. And then you have your reward. This is a special promotion that they actually do, where if you guys go and sign up with my code, as you guys can see there in the screen, that WY8DYQ, if you sign up with this, we're both going to get 25 Rand. That's if you purchase anything above 500 Rand, which actually, it's a little bit on the cheap side, 25 bucks for 500 Rand. But if you guys are going to actually join this app after watching this video, use my code. I'm gonna have it obviously on the screen and maybe linked down in the description. And then follows by a profile where you can get your security, your settings, help, price alert. Now if you go back to home, as you guys can see, this is actually, let's say, a much simpler view. And if you click on the three dots there on your top right hand side, you can go in an exchange mode where it actually kind of goes on a pro mode if you want to do your trading and what's not, which is something that I don't use because, as I said, I am not a trader. Now, things that I like about this app, one, as I mentioned already, is the interface. It's really easy to use. As you guys can actually see, you see all your coins listed there. You can check the price there, and you can set the amount that you want to buy just by changing from 100, 1,000, and others, and click buy, and it automatically buys. It automatically creates a wallet for you, and it will buy for you, which is number two of how I classify these apps. Easy off trading is actually really easy to trade or to buy cryptocurrency using this app. Number three would be the amount of coins that are listed in the app. Unfortunately, it falls on the short side because as you guys can see, those are all the coins you will get in this app. As you guys can see also, there is none of those meme coins or community coins listed on Luna. I don't know if that's something they're afraid of doing or something they're planning to do in future, but then again, they don't even have Binance coin listed in here. So if I had to rate this app, I'd give it a 2 out of 3 because they kind of fall short on the amount of coins they have, but it's a pass in my book. Hence, I actually have this app installed and I occasionally actually still use the app. Now, before we jump into our second app, I'd like to talk a little bit about Myus, who is a channel partner. Now, Myus is a forwarding agent that I normally use to buy things overseas when they normally don't ship in the country. Now, since I'm a Myus ambassador, if you sign up with my link, which I'm going to be putting it down in the description, you will get 1 year premium membership free or 3 months business membership free for you to actually use if you're thinking of buying overseas, and you'll get an extra on top of that, obviously, when you're ready to ship your parcels that you've already purchased and it's sitting on Myus suit. You can go ahead and use the code PMHK 20 for you to get a extra 20% discount on top of obviously the free membership that you're going to sign up using my link. Now, the second app is called Altcoin Trader, owned by Altcoin Trader, the company which was founded back in 2015. I am pretty sure this is a South African company. Now, jumping in the app itself, as you guys can see already, the interface is a little bit tricky to understand because most of the functions, as you guys can see, are not already listed in your face. You have to go deep down for you to see them. So if you go on those 3 lines up above, that's where you find your home, easy to buy or easy save, news, register, or you can actually reset your password. So for you to actually see your coins, you need to click on show markets, and that's where actually you're going to see all your coins. And then if you want to buy the coins, you go, let's say for example, you click on XPR, which is actually also a coin that was listed on Luno, and then this is where you actually buy the coin itself. If you put the total amount that you want, you click there, which is actually much easier or much detailed way of buying, but for somebody that's just starting now, it can actually a little bit cumbersome. So if you put the amount that you want, let's say you want to buy for $1,000, shows you the amount of coins you will get. In this case, I'm going to get 78 coins, and the price per coin, which right now is 12 rands, and that's basically how you buy a coin. Now, if you want to see your charts, which on Luno app, that would you would have to go to the sort of exchange mode for you to be able to see this. So for you to do that, you click on your charts, and if you want to hide that, you click on hide chart. And if you scroll down, you can see obviously the current sell, you can see the current buy offers, and obviously, as you guys can see there, to sell if you already have XPR and you want to sell, you have to come back here, plug it in whatever amount you want to sell, and you sell it. So the interface, as you guys saw, it's a little bit on a complicated side. Easy to buy, I'd say medium easy to buy. It's really not that easy, but it's also really not that hard. But you have to know exactly what you are doing, which is something that you guys, if you're planning to use this app, you're really going to just have to try it, maybe lose a couple of rands. I'm just kidding. One other thing that I actually love about this app, which Luno is actually falls short, as I mentioned, is the amount of coins you can trade. From what I read, you could trade around 22 coins. Yeah, I think Luno is, if I'm not mistaken, 7, if not 10 now. As you guys can see, there's a lot of coins that you can trade, from BTC, ETH, and you can go down. You even have cheaper coins right now, starting with SHIB, which is Shiba Inu. You have BTC, and then you have SHIB Rand. So you have SHIB dollar and you have the SHIB in Rand. You also have TRX, which is actually a little bit on the cheap side, and you have Dogecoin, which is a coin that actually boomed in the past year. And if I had to make a recommendation, which is actually not a financial advice, is buy SHIB and hold maybe for the next 2 or 3 years. I don't think you're going to regret doing that. All right, so now if I had to actually rate the Altcoin Trader app, as you guys can see, in terms of interface, I really think that they could have done more. This app basically resembles the web app. I don't really think they went to the effort of creating a specific application for the phone, which differs to if you are in maybe on the website, because if you go via the web, this is exactly what happens. So just for interface, I would give them maybe half a point for interface, so it's already half a point out of 3. Also, if you go to trading itself, the trading side of thing is really, it's not hard, but it's also not easy. They could have made it a little bit easier to do, especially for people that are just starting to use the app. I think they could have done better in that sense, in the terms of they could have put everything up front for you to be able to navigate, but most of the things are actually hidden on the background. So I also give half a point for that, so it's already a 3 out of 1. Now, when it comes to the coins that they have listed in the app, that's actually one aspect that I actually love about Altcoin Trader, which is the reason why I still have it, which if I had to score it, obviously I would give it a 1. So a total point of 2 out of 3 again, because the only places that it falls short is on the ease of trading on the interface, but in terms of the coins, they actually list a lot of coins. Just the fact that also they list meme coins like SHIB, or community coins. I really don't like calling them meme coins. Community coins like Shiba Inu and Doge, it's what makes them a really good app for you guys to actually go and try it out. All right, one last aspect that I wanted to actually point out, which is not part of my classification criteria, is how fast it is for you to get your money inside the app. Obviously, the way you transfer is when you open an account, they would actually give you a banking detail with a reference. That's where you send the money to. When it comes to the Luno app, it takes around plus 15 minutes for the money to reflect on the app itself, which is in the world of cryptocurrency, that's actually a lot of time. But when it comes to the Alt Trader, you can send money there as fast as less than 5 minutes, which it's actually pretty fast. And that's also one other reason that I sort of have both apps, because they actually kind of balance each other. Where one falls short, the other one will actually prevail, and where the other one prevails, obviously the other one would fall short. All right, so this is gonna be it for this video. I want to know from you guys which apps, obviously if you started trading cryptocurrency or started investing in cryptocurrency, which is something that I really recommend you start at least researching on. And if you're already doing that, I want to know from you guys which apps are you guys using to invest, and if you have any recommendation or any suggestion or any opinion on cryptocurrency, I want to know them down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. Obviously, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click the notification bells button to get notified whenever I upload a video, and I am going to catch you guys on my next one. Peace.